Hi everybody, this is Sunny. I'm one of the facilitators here in iRaise. It was wonderful to meet you in the introductory videos and posts here, and also to work with some of you in our first orientation session, which was held this morning. It's Tuesday, and looking forward to meeting more of you in our second orientation session, which is scheduled for Thursday. So if you haven't had the chance to do so, I'll invite you to please sign up for an orientation. If you attended our first orientation and you'd like more practice, you're definitely welcome to attend our second orientation, so feel free to sign up again. And other than that, it's going to be great to work with you through the course of the school year. I'm really excited about iRaise. I implement Reading Apprenticeship in all my classes, so I always learn more through working collaboratively with all of you. So we'll continue this adventure in learning, and I wish you all a wonderful day and a great start to this institute.